Do you want to buy now and pay later? Well, you can now purchase products with Klarna on our website. If you would like to pay in 30 days or in 3 monthly instalments, you can now pay via Klarna on our website. Klarna is one of the market-leading buy now, pay later services available in the UK. It works similarly to PayPal credit, which allows you to buy now and pay later. So how does Klarna work? With Klarna, you have 3 payment options. Option 1 is to pay in full today. This works similarly to PayPal, so paying through Klarna gives you confidence that you won't be out of pocket if something goes wrong. Option 2, pay in 30 days. This means you have 30 days to pay Klarna from the date of your order. If you need something before payday, then this is a great option, as you can buy now and pay later. Option 3 is pay over 3 monthly instalments. This means you can split your purchase over 3 interest-free monthly payments. The first payment is made at point of order, but the remaining payments are scheduled automatically for every 30 days after. So to make this clear, Klarna will automatically take your payment out of the connected bank account. However, you can pay this earlier if you wish. As always, with these buy now, pay later services, be aware that fees or charges may incur if the payments aren't made on time. So how do we use Klarna on the Rhinox website? To purchase with Klarna, place all the items you would like in your basket and head through to checkout to place your order. Select Klarna as your preferred payment option and follow the simple steps on screen to either sign in or set up an account with Klarna. Once your order has been placed, you will receive a confirmation email automatically from ourselves to confirm that your order has been placed. From this point onwards, Rhinox has no further involvement into your payments with Klarna, and so please contact Klarna for more details on your payments. If you want more information about our payment options, please give us a call and we'll be happy to help. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more insightful content.